Hi, today is Tuesday, March 2nd. We started out our class by silently reading. Remember, during your silent reading time, your learning target is I can read a self-selected book for a sustained period of time. I can make personal connections while reading. That's also a target. Don't forget that your independent book study and your Flipgrid book talk was due yesterday on 3/1, so please get that in. Our agenda today for March 2nd, we did our SSR for 10 minutes in class. Remember, you're supposed to be doing 30 minutes at home. We're going to be doing media presentation today. That's if you are finished with your argumentative essay. If you aren't, you need to get done with that. You are running out of time to get done with that. Okay, you need to make sure to complete your quizzes for argumentative writing. Learning target today for the media presentation is I can create a multimedia presentation with supporting details to present to my argument. You also have another learning target. I can use graphic devices and text evidence to reach my target audience. And another learning target, I can engage my audience with captivating data, facts, and graphics to convince my target audience. Here's some suggestions for media presentation. Okay, you're going to use dark backgrounds with wider light letters for a professional look. You can insert word art for titles, insert plus word art, plus write your message, plus click. Anywhere in the margin and words appear. You can then change the font and color using the bucket tool. If you want the title to indent, double click on the word art and place your cursor where you want the title to indent and press Ctrl plus enter, and the title will indent to the next line. Remember to use the types of rhetoric. So there's pathos, ethos, and logos. Pathos really tugs the heart. Click on the mountain icon to insert a picture. Click search the web and type in your search with the word transparent for no background. If a picture or title or text box is layered under something, you need to right click on the item you want to bring forward and choose order plus bring to the front or back. So you would go look in, right here, look in Google Classroom. The assignment is posted like this. It's 3-2 argumentative media presentation. It has these icons here. So you would go ahead and open that up. Okay, and then you will be creating, this is the instructions. You will be creating one multimedia presentation to present an argument of your claim with supporting details. What do I need to do? You will use your argumentative essay, so that needs to be written and turned in first, to advocate your position on a debatable topic in a multimedia presentation. So again, you are using your topic that you used in your argumentative essay, and you are using your argumentative essay to do this. You should include a clear claim, strong key supporting ideas, consideration of alternatives, effective use of evidence details, and rationale, logic, and rhetorical devices while avoiding logical fallacy and bias. So, what is your claim? What is your claim from your argumentative essay? Who is your audience going to be? What is the best way to reach this audience? Now, you have one of several, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of 5 things you could do. You only need to pick one. The first one is create an Instagram story. You would click here for the template to the Instagram story. Or you can have option 2, create a Netflix show. You would click here for the Netflix template. Option 3, create a web page. Click here for the web page template. Option 4, create a YouTube channel. Click here for YouTube template. Option 5, create a TikTok video recording. Click here for a TikTok template. Here is how you will be graded. Yes, this is a grade. This is a quiz grade. So your claim with supporting details is 25 points. Your counter argument and turn back is 25 points. Your creative and graphical elements is 25 points, and appealing to your audience is 25 points for a total of 100. So what you should be doing today, if you missed your Zoom class or you needed a review, this is what we covered today. We did silent reading. You started on your media presentation if you are finished with your argumentative essay, and also you need to make sure to complete the quizzes for argumentative writing. Remember, you only have until Friday to get work in from this week. All the other work from weeks 1 through 8 need to be turned in by Wednesday, which is tomorrow, by the end of the day, Wednesday. The work from this week, you have until Friday to get turned in. So remember to use your asynchronous time, which is from 2 to 3:30 every day. Make sure you're using that time to finish your work. If you do not have a passing grade by the end of Friday, then you will be failing my class, and you have the possibility of needing to go to summer school or doing credit recovery. Both will be in the summer, and you don't really want to have to do that, so I suggest you get your work in before the deadlines. Okay? So I will see you in class tomorrow. Bye.